Good evening. My name is J.E. Warren. I put a video on prior to this. It's on my Facebook, but I wanted to play a new one for you this evening to bring you up to the real truth and facts of how our law and order has made a mockery of Canada's justice system by tyranny, abuse of unlawful authority. And I think this will be explanatory to us all because I sent it to the Supreme Court, the Ministers of Justice, Federal Minister of Justice, Attorney General, Commissioner of Maui's, the Cardinal, and the Mayor of Toronto, and the National Parole Board Officer, and the Correctional Canada, and quite a few sources. So they all have the proof, and they know what I'm going to say is factual here. There's no lies in what I say, and the documents here from the courts to verify what I say. Okay. This first notice I want to read is dated December the 14th, 2012, time 11:40 p.m. It says, attention, the OPP police DNA test of J. Warren. I, Mr. J.E. Warren, make this public statement to all people that I likely am the only human being in Canada to be sentenced to life in prison and kept in prison for 20 years. After the sentence justices of the courts of law and order passed judgments stated, 1. Mr. E.J. Warren not guilty of all stated unlawful charges. Against 1. Mr. J.E. Warren in 1983 stated murder case in Edmonton, Alberta, Canada. Courts of law and order. Read court ruling judgments upon Warren's Facebook page. Or can you all not read English language? Sections 19 of the Criminal Code, 21 of the Criminal Code, and 269 of the Canadian Criminal Code of Canada. Facebook.com/the wrong guy, the Joe Warren story. Proof of fraud. The Lord Almighty and the blessed Holy Spirit witnesses. 1. Mr. J.E. Warren is innocent. Glory to God. Number 9 of the 10 Commandments. OPP test on J. Warren. That's the absolute proof. The OPP test proof that was never at the resident proof. It's not my name on the warrant bill or anything else. Written, signed by J. Warren, E.J. Warren, Toronto, Ontario, December the 14th, 2012, time 11:40 p.m. Now, what is the date today, honey? What's the date? What's the date today?
The 16th.
Attention, this is another one now. Attention. 1. Mr. J.E. Warren make this public state legal notice claim by the Constitution of Section 2 of the Canadian Charter of Rights and Freedom. Upon September the 12th, 2005, the legal authorities of Correctional Canada and National Parole Board authorities, legal orders, had 1. Mr. J.E. Warren falsely arrested, put in jail, and held as an unlawful hostage. That's all in Toronto here, folks. Number 2, again, upon May 11, 2007, they did the same thing unlawfully act of law, put Mr. J.E. Warren back in federal prison for 3.5 months, unlawfully. Again, upon March the 9th, 2009, they committed the same unlawful act of law against Mr. J.E. Warren, back in jail for 1 month. And at no time in the stated 3 times as records as a proven proof did Mr. J. Warren break any rule of written law of Canada. Sections 19, 21, 269 of the Canadian Criminal Code of Canada applies to one and all. This is the criminal act of fraud. The Lord Almighty and the Holy Spirit's witness, Mr. J.E. Warren, tells the truth of the proven facts. Number 9 of the 10 Commandments. Signed, what day is you said? Signed by J.E. Warren, Toronto, Ontario.
December 16th.
December the 16th, 2012. Time 6:50 p.m. As this document is going to be posted on the up on my